find the shaded area. So for us to do that, we are going to apply integration. We are going to look for the points of intersection between these two curves, that one and that one. So for us to get the points, this point and that point, we're just going to calculate the value of x here and the value of x there. So at this point and that point, the values of these two curves are the same. So it means 4x minus x squared is equal to half x. So if we collect like terms there, 4x minus half x is going to be 7 over 2x, and we have minus x squared is equal to 0. So there's a common factor here, that is x. So we have x into 7 over 2 minus x is equal to 0. So it means that x is equal to 0, and when 7 over 2 minus x is equal to 0, it means that x is equal to 7 over 2 units. So we now have the points of intersection between this curve and that curve. The next thing you're going to do, we are going to exclude the unshaded region, because you only require the shaded region. So for us to do that, we're just going to take this y minus that y, so that we have the shaded region. So if we do that, we have 4x minus x squared, that one, minus the other y, that is half x. So that should give us 4x minus half x, that is 7 over 2, that is 3.5 x minus x squared. So the area of the shaded region is going to be given by the integration from this point. At this point, x is equal to 0 because it is at the origin, to this point where the value of x is equal to 7 over 2 of this particular expression, which is 7 over 2x minus x squared with respect to x. So we're just going to integrate that, and then we get the value when x is 0 and when x is 7 over 2. So if we integrate this one, we're going to have 7 over 4 x squared minus this one here, which is going to be x cubed over 3, and then the limits are 0 to 7 over 2. Okay, so we're just going to substitute the values of x. So when x is 7 over 2, we have 7 over 4 into 7 over 2 squared minus 7 over 2 cubed over 3, and then minus 0. When x is 0, we have a 0 there, so there's no need of including that. So if you simplify this side, you're going to have 343 over 16, and then if you simplify this side, you're going to have 343 over 24, and if you get the difference, it's going to be 343 over 48, and if you simplify that again, you're going to have 7.1458 square units as the area of the shaded region.